Hello and welcome to ICSE Class 10 Maths tutorial. Today, again I am going to solve ICSE 2024 examination specimen question paper mathematics. And today it is second question, second sub question. All right, before we begin, शुरू करने से पहले आइए आपको एक जोक सुनाता हूं। एक साहब ने पूछा, ए और बी कह लीजिए, ए बी से पूछता है आप क्या काम करते हैं? बी जवाब देता है मैं सिंगर हूं। फिर ए कहता है कि कभी आपको देखा या सुना नहीं गाते हुए? तो वो जवाब देता है जी हाँ, मोहल्ले वाले चुप रहने के लिए मुझे 20,000 रुपये महीना देते हैं। ओके, अब आप जो कैसा लगा? अब आप एक कई बार आपको कोई बात कहनी हो तो बेहतर है कि खास करके रिएक्शन, तो बेहतर है कि थोड़ा वेट किया जाए, इंतजार किया जाए, खास करके जब आप गुस्से की हालत में होते हैं। व्हेन यू आर एंग्री दैट टाइम आई थिंक वन शुड नॉट रिएक्ट। तो बात को थोड़ी टाल दी जाए। 1 घंटे बाद बात कर लेंगे, जवाब दे देंगे, या दूसरे दिन जवाब दे देंगे। तो इस दौरान आपको थोड़ा टाइम मिलता है सोचने समझने के लिए कि क्या आप जो कहने जा रहे हैं, जो आपका रिएक्शन है वो आया ठीक है कि नहीं ठीक है। कई बार आप थोड़ा सोचने के बाद थोड़ी देर के बाद आपको लगता है कि जाने तो कोई बात नहीं, कुछ नहीं कहना बेहतर है। तो क्योंकि वैसे भी एक कविता है, बिना विचारे जो करे सो पाछे पछताए, काम बिगाड़े आप नो जग में हो धसाए। बगैर सोचे समझे कोई काम नहीं करना चाहिए। खास करके जैसा कि मैंने आपको कहा कि थिंक बिफोर यू स्पीक, थोड़ा वेट कीजिए। हालांकि देखिए, कहना आसान है, बट practically to implement in our practical life is little difficult. हर आदमी, क्योंकि देखिए क्या अच्छा है और क्या बुरा है, क्या सही है और क्या गलत है, ये हम जानते हैं। क्या अच्छी अच्छी बातें हैं जो बड़े लोगों ने कही हैं, या और कहीं से भी जो अच्छी बातें आप सुनते हैं, आपको मालूम होती हैं, लेकिन उसको अपनी जिंदगी में हम कितना अमल में लाते हैं। अमल, प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। बातें बहुत अच्छी करें और अपनी खुद की जिंदगी में उसको अप्लाई ना करें। ये इंसाफ करना चाहिए, देखिए इंसाफ करना चाहिए, मगर खुद जब इंसाफ करने की बारी आती है तो अभी एक सवाल है, इसका जवाब ढूंढिए। तो थिंक बिफोर यू स्पीक, शायर कहता है जाती है बात दूर, जाती है बात दूर निकलकर जुबान से, जाती है बात दूर निकलकर जुबान से, फिरता नहीं वो तीर जो निकला कमान से, फिरता नहीं वो तीर जो निकला कमान से। एक और शेर सुन, कुछ लाइन सुन। मुश्किल था, शायर कहता है मुश्किल था संभलना ही पड़ा घर के वास्ते, मुश्किल था संभलना ही पड़ा घर के वास्ते, फिर घर से निकलना ही पड़ा घर के वास्ते, फिर घर से निकलना ही पड़ा घर के वास्ते। मजबूरियों का नाम हमने शौक रख दिया, मजबूरियों का नाम हमने शौक रख दिया, हर शौक बदलना ही पड़ा घर के वास्ते, हर शौक बदलना ही पड़ा घर के वास्ते। कई बार आपको अपने शौक को बदलना पड़ता है। उम्मीद है कि ये शेर पसंद आया होगा। मतलब समझें, जो कि कई बार क्या होता है ना कि कुछ बातें आपको ऐसे कहना मुनासिब नहीं होता है, तो शायद उसको शेर के थ्रू वो बात समाज तक पहुंचाता है। और एक शेर सुनो, चलिए एक और शेर सुन लीजिए। निभाएं किस तरह रिश्ते, निभाएं किस तरह रिश्ते समझ में कुछ नहीं आता, निभाएं किस तरह रिश्ते समझ में कुछ नहीं आता। किसी से दिल नहीं मिलता, कोई दिल से नहीं मिलता, किसी से दिल नहीं मिलता, कोई दिल से नहीं मिलता। थैंक यू। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। Second question and second sub question. And the question is, in a recurring deposit account for 2 years, the total amount deposited by a person is rupees 9,600. If the interest earned by him is 1/12 of his total deposit, then find A, the interest he earns, B, his monthly deposit, C, the rate of interest. This is the question. Let's solve. आइए सॉल्व करता हूँ। देखिए क्वेश्चन है, ए पार्ट है द इंटरेस्ट ही अर्न्स। सबसे पहले the values, the data and information given, quantities given, that we are writing down. 2 years, n is equal to, let us write down n is equal to 2 years. That means 2 into 24, 12. Not 24, 12. 1 year equal to 12 months. All right. So 2 into 12, which is equal to 24. 24 months. And deposit by person, total amount deposited is 9,600. So amount, you write for total amount deposited. All right, total amount deposited, total amount, total amount. Total amount deposited, and that is equal to, right, full total amount deposited, and that is equal to 9,600. 9,600 rupees. All right. Total amount deposited. What else? Now let's start with A part. We can suppose the here they are asking, first is the interest here, second is monthly deposit. Generally we call it monthly installment. Let us call that monthly installment as X. So let the monthly installment is equal to X rupees, and that X we'll find out in part B, monthly deposit, that is monthly installment. So let the monthly deposit is equal to X rupees. Let the monthly deposit let the monthly deposit is equal to X rupees. Let the monthly deposit is equal to X rupees or monthly installment. Right. Now, let's find out A part. The interest he earns, A part. Part A. The interest, you write down full. The interest he earns, I'm writing only interest, I. The interest he earns, I, is equal to, it's given in the question, 1/12 of his total deposit. Total deposit is 9,600. So 1/12. 1 upon 12. 1 upon 12 of 9,600. And this gives you 12 hits are 96. 800. So interest here is rupees 800. This is A part. Now B part is his monthly deposit. Can I run? B part. Remember, 24 is the value of N and total amount is 96,000. You note down somewhere and try to do on your own. Alright, so B part. B part is his monthly deposit. Now, how much money has been deposited? He has deposited 9,600, and by formula, you know NX. Why NX? Because N is the amount that he is depositing every month. X is the amount, monthly installment, monthly deposit. X is the amount that he is depositing every month. And for how many months? 24 months. N months. So NX. NX is the total amount deposited by formula, and that NX is given 9,600. So according to the question, you write down according to the question. According to the question, you write full. According to the question, NX is equal to 9600. NX is equal to NX is equal to 9600. Alright, NX is the total amount deposited. NX is the total amount deposited. Agreed? Why NX? क्योंकि एवरी मंथ, हर महीने आप X रुपीस डिपॉजिट कर रहे हैं और कितने मंथ्स के लिए कर रहे हैं? N मंथ्स के लिए कर रहे हैं. So N into X, that is the total amount deposited. You know maturity value, when we find out, we write on MV is equal to NX plus I. So total amount at the time of maturity that you get is equal to NX, your amount, that how much you have deposited plus the interest. So we write down MV is equal to NX plus I. Alright, NX is amount that you have deposited plus I is the interest that the bank is giving you. The interest that you are getting. So N is 24. So 24x. 24x is equal to 9600. Therefore x is equal to 9600 whole divided by 24. Alright. Now, you show the cancellation in steps, not in one step only. And I think it may be difficult for you to think like 24 fours are 96. Then you do by small numbers, first cancel by 2 or by 3 or by 6 or by 12. Alright. So that you do in steps. I'm writing directly 24 fours are 96. So 400. ₹400. If you're also writing, because this is a simple, very simple simplification. So if you're also writing directly, it's okay. We'll accept it. What I'm saying, you write everything. Sometimes the working is very, very important. All right, and not sometimes. If you see the question paper of the ICSE board, the instructions on the front page, you see, we are writing clearly that the working, you have to show. All working, including rough work, must be shown clearly. Right, and that you show here on the right side. You draw a line, or if you don't have space here, these steps are big, lengthy, long steps. Then you can use the bottom of the page. All right. This might. You draw a line, and then at the bottom of the page, you show the working. All right. The X we got 400. This is your B part. Now C part is the rate of interest. Let's find out the rate of interest. C part. Rate of interest. C part. R be the rate of interest. All right. So first, let us start. Generally, if I tell you, many students they use a big formula, one-step formula, big everything in one formula. All right. What I do, and some people like me, we find out first P, the qualifying principle P, and then we write down I is equal to PRT upon 100, and then we get that big formula. All right. So P I'm finding out, qualifying amount, qualifying sum P is equal to. So qualifying sum P, capital P, principal. Qualifying sum P is equal to N plus 1, and whole divided by 2 into X. X is the monthly installment. This is P. Let's find out. N is how much? 24. 24. This is 24 plus 1 into X. X is how much? 400. Yeah, we found out X 400. And whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. Fine. This we can write down. If you don't want to cancel it out, don't cancel it out. We'll see in the final step. So 24 into 25 into 400 whole divided by 2. This is P. Now the formula, well-known simple formula. What is it? PRT upon 100, which we have been studying from our lower classes. Can I do? Alright. So remember, P is this. Now, I is equal to PRT upon 100. I is equal to P R weight. I is equal to P R T upon 100. Isn't it? Simple formula. And this is equal to P. P means this. 24 into 25 into 400. 24 into 25 into 400 upon 2. This is P. Then R into R into T. T is always 1 upon 12 here. So we can write down there only where we wrote the data information. There only we can write down T is 1 upon 12 years. So T is always 1 upon 12. PRT upon 100. So upon 100 I am writing here. Alright? And this is the one big formula in one step. You write down n plus 1 x r upon 12 to the 24, 2400. Directly you write down. Alright, that I have done in steps. Fine. इसमें एक फायदा ये है कि maybe because there is flexibility in the marking of questions in the ICSE board. So if suppose the marks are for 1 mark is for getting P, the principal, the qualifying sum, that carries suppose 1 mark I am saying, and you are writing everything in one step, and suppose this step goes wrong, and here everything is mixed up, no? So how much is P? How much is P? Because this step is wrong, something is missing. Suppose you didn't write down 100 or 12, so that means this step is wrong. So if this step carries marks, so you won't get mark for this step, but 1 mark is for P. So if you find out P separately, or substitution if you show in the formula n plus 1 upon 2 into x, so maybe I am saying maybe 1 mark you will get there. Alright, if everything is correct, then no issues, no problem. Even if you are using directly that one big formula, it's fine. Alright, but I prefer doing like this. And this is equal to I is given. I is 800. We found out, no? I is 800. So 800. Here we write down 800. I is 800. 800. So here also 800. 800. Alright. Now let's see the cancellation. Cancellation, I am showing you. Look at it. 1 0 with this 0. This second 0 with this 0. Alright. Now 2 12s are 24. You can do that also in steps. First you cancel 12 2s are 24 and then 2 and 2. Maximum cancellation, 2 cancellation in one step I think is sensible. If you do more than 2 cancellation then it gets very busy. फिर समझ में नहीं आता कि आपने किस नंबर से किस नंबर को कैंसिल किया. Alright. तो यहाँ पे तो हम इसको 2 and 12, 24 with this 24 I am cancelling out. Alright. How much is remaining that I am writing? So 24, 25 4s are 100. 100 are. Therefore, R is equal to 0 0 cancel and 8 you are getting. Can I write down directly 8? Yes, why not? 2 zeros cancel and we get R is equal to 8%. Fine. This is this third C part, the rate of interest. Now you write everywhere where you got the values, the interest he earns, answer, highlight it, underline it, his monthly deposit, answer or underline it, the rate of interest, answer and underline it. Alright, or if you have time, your speed is good, then after getting everything, in the end, you write everything at one place and write down answer like this. But that if you have good speed, ऐसा ना हो कि आप इस डेकोरेशन में आपको टाइम कम पड़ जाए और एक क्वेश्चन कोई छूट जाए. Alright, so वैसे भी आपकी स्पीड अच्छी होनी चाहिए. You need to do practice. Practice is very very important. यहाँ तो चल भी जाएगा फिजिक्स वगैरह में, और स्पेशली इन इंग्लिश हैंड राइटिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Alright, so finally you can write down I. You got I is equal to how much? I you got how much? 800. Yes, I we got 800. Write down I 800. I you got 800 rupees. I 800 rupees. Then after I we got X monthly deposit. We got monthly deposit, and that is how much? 400. Yes, 400. ₹400 and R. R is equal to, we got 8%. This is the answer. Alright. And we write down, we write here answer. What do you say? How do you like this presentation? Good, no? Fine. So this was second sub question, and now the second question and third sub question, which is I guess from trigonometry. Trigonometry. Sin theta plus cosec theta whole square. A part, B part is cos theta plus sec theta whole square, and then you have to find out sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square equals 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. That I'll do in my maybe in the next video. Okay then. Thank you so much. Thanks.